many types of food in my country. Some people like rice and chicken, while others prefer fish or vegetables. Fruits and salads are popular, and many families enjoy fresh bread every day. Food is an important part of our culture. Last weekend, my family went to a restaurant for lunch. We looked at the menu and chose our meals. I ordered grilled chicken with rice, and my brother asked for pizza. The waiter was friendly and brought our food quickly. Sometimes my mother and I go shopping for groceries at the supermarket. We buy vegetables, fruit, eggs, and some meat or fish. We check the prices and try to choose healthy foods. Shopping together is fun and helps us learn new words for different foods. Everyone in my family has a favorite food. My favorite is pasta with tomato sauce and cheese. My father likes grilled fish, but my mother prefers vegetable soup. My brother always wants burgers or French fries. Each day we eat three main meals. In the morning, we usually have bread with honey and milk or tea. At lunchtime, we eat rice, chicken, or sometimes meat stew with salad. In the evening, we prefer light food like soup or a sandwich. Eating together is very important for us. We share stories while we eat and try new recipes at home. Sometimes we cook traditional dishes from other countries. Food brings our family closer and makes every day special. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the new updates.